So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Android phone is showing that you have zero signal no matter where you go, or you have 0 bars in general. Now, the first thing that we recommend doing here is to just go through and just toggle on airplane mode. So jump right into your settings application, which is right up here. So jump right into settings. And what you're going to want to do is just go through and just toggle on airplane mode. So make your way over to your network and internet right up here, and you should be able to see this airplane mode option that comes up. So what we're going to want to do here is go ahead and just toggle on airplane mode. Give it a few seconds, just let it kind of sit there. And then what you're going to want to do is toggle off airplane mode right after that. So what's going to happen here is it's going to allow you to basically just, have airplane mode it's kind of like a soft reset, so to speak. That's kind of the first thing we recommend doing. If that's still not working, try going through and try powering on and off your Android phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it, click on the restart button, and allow your phone to just basically restart. That is, again, one of the most important things you can try doing in this particular situation as well, and that might end up fixing it here for the most part too. If that's still not working, you might want to check with your carrier or your carrier settings and to just make sure that you don't basically live in an area where the signal is bad right now or the servers aren't down. If you're able to connect to Wi-Fi temporarily, you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites that will basically show you what services are up and down. And that's another thing. If it's down, then you're basically just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.